beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig from Wiggins Hair. Shouts out to Wiggins Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending me this wig. I look good. I look good. And if you too want to know the tips and tricks and you want to vibe and just put on this wig with me, stay tuned to keep watching and we can get on into it. Hi beautiful, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, JaLeah. And it's a new year. And here I am to do my hair for y'all. I just wanted to come here, do something real chill with y'all. I'm trying to get out of like not wanting to talk in front of the camera anymore. I'm trying to get back into it because like the only way through something is to do it. So here I am talking in front of y'all, even though I really do not want to. And we can talk more about that as we get into it, but I'm about to put on this wig. I got on this wig from Wiggins Hair. Let me go grab it. Now I believe this wig is a 28-inch loose wave, 13x4 frontal wig. I did go ahead and pluck and bleach, and I do want to do an updated plucking tutorial, but I just feel like I need to figure out like my method. Like I think I'm trying to change it up, but also I don't know what I'm doing. It's like I'm figuring it out, you know? And when I figure it out, I'll come back and give it to y'all so y'all can figure it out too. Also, this is HD lace, so I'm excited about that. Today, it's not giving ball cap, but it is giving glue. So I'm gonna try to glue on this wig with no ball cap and see how that goes. I ain't done that in a long time, in a long periodically time. So I'm just hoping for best. So yeah, it's not that I don't necessarily want to talk to you guys while I'm recording. It's so much that I was tired of my attitude shining through when things don't go according to my plan. And I'm really not a person who can hide my emotions. So when I like shit started going left in the video and I'm here talking to y'all, it's like I really don't have nothing to say to y'all. I'm just gonna, instead of anticipating for the worst and expecting that, you know, shit not gonna go together how I want it to go, like I'm gonna just go in here with an open, positive mindset. And I'm gonna talk to y'all and we're gonna have a nice little key. And hopefully by doing this I can get back into my creative bag and still talk to you guys while like trying to do creative things, because you know, like I said, it's just hard when things don't go to plan. And like I'm sitting in front of y'all and I was like laughing 5 minutes ago, but then shit started going left in 5 minutes, and then now it's 5 minutes later and I got an attitude and I'm still recording this video. So I think that's prohibited me from talking in front of the camera again, but I don't even want to go into this thinking that, you know, something bad is going to happen. So I'm going to leave out of this with a bomb ass wig and we're going to have a cool ass video. And I'm not going to let my fears hold me back in 2022. And neither should you. I'm also trying to make a TikTok like while I do this, because I am trying to like get out the box or whatever I'm in. So yeah, well, if you see me like recording TikTok in the middle of this, like just know you need to follow me on TikTok at JaLeah. Okay, enough chatting. We can show y'all my big ass forehead now. You know, I'm just grateful for my edges, you know? I might have this big ass forehead, but my edges is all here, you know? The gang's all here. Also, I usually don't be having clothes on when you don't see me with no top, but I got clothes on this time. You know, let's just throw on a wig, make sure it's secure. And look at my hair. Sometimes you guys wonder about what I have going on under my wig. I just throw my hair in a little braid and wrap it around and rubber band it. I usually forget to show you guys the cap construction of the wig, so here you guys go. It's a full 13x4 all the way around. Period. Now that I got my TikTok clip, you feel me? I got my clip and we can move on. I hope that I just keep remembering to go back and record the little TikTok clip. That's kind of cute. Let me go back and watch it again. Now that my wig is on, I just want to go ahead and cut these ear tabs so that my wig know where it's supposed to lay at and it's not confused, you know? And if you're wondering what this little patch is on my arm, it's a little energy patch. Just like me, energy levels is depleted. I'm tired. It's winter time. You know what? Before I even get to cutting this little ear tab, I want y'all to know that my new year really didn't start. My new year is not till spring. I don't know why we follow these white people telling us that we're supposed to pop out in the winter time. Like, that don't even make sense. Like, everybody's in hibernation right now. We're supposed to be asleep. You know, very much. I don't have time for this daytime shit. I'm supposed to be in bed. Shout out Mariah Carey.
It's daytime. I should be sleeping. I don't have time for this daytime shit.
Yeah, so very much hibernation right now. Very much planning on the pop out in spring. It's just not giving right now. Like, what productivity thing am I supposed to be doing when it's 6 feet of snow on the ground? Anyway, girl, let me cut off these ear tabs. This be the thing about, I feel like every time I get a Wiggins wig, like it's either like it's just too small for my head. Like I don't know, maybe I'm getting a small cap size and I should be getting like a medium or something. But every time, like I feel like I be having to like tussle with the wig. Second one. I love throwing shit in my house. I think I really understand why kids be throwing shit. Like, it's so fun. Like, why we need to get back into throwing shit, you know? Why we just... I don't know why I threw that, though, because I'm going to definitely need that at some point. But, you know, that's the beauty of life. I'll have the opportunity to walk over there and grab it. Yeah. We need to learn from kids more. Okay, so now I got my ear tabs cut. It's looking like it's giving that it could fit. Just to be sure this maintains a middle part, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the middle part right now. Probably should have happened at first. It probably should have been, you know, got me a little middle part situation so that I could, you know, see the middle part, but I didn't. So here we are to do that now. Okay, now that I know where the middle of my wig is, I can get started now. Probably not gonna be too detailed now. Like, y'all know what I do. Like, we've been in this for like 3 years together, and you don't know the routine by now. It's getting weird. So yeah, back to talking about like it being a new year and like not really though. So I have like lots of ideas for my channel. It's just like, do I have the energy to execute them? You know, like it's hibernation season. Why are we exerting our energy so hard right now to grind? It's like capitalism just wanted us to like, they was like, damn, like it's getting cold outside, niggas want to go home and shit. Like we gotta give them some motivation to like keep working. And they give us New Year's, and then we don't even get New Year's Day like off. I don't think. I mean, I haven't had a job in a long time. Most people don't get New Year's Day off, and so like I don't know. I think it's just all big capitalistic things make us feel like we need to work harder when like the reality is like it's definitely winter time. So I don't know. I'm just having this realization about New Year's, and New Year's Eve it just felt like I didn't even get FOMO this year. Like, you know, usually you get a little bit of FOMO when like you miss out on events. Like I took a nap on New Year's. I'm very used to getting FOMO on New Year's, but this year it just felt like an average ass day. So I'm gonna treat it like such, and my New Year's is, when I say my New Year's is, I'm using Erica J Hold Me Down glue as always. And I'm just gonna put this a little bit down. So I don't want any of this glue on my hairline because like I said, I don't have no ball cap on. The goal is to just get this like right in front of my hairline. And I'm gonna smooth this out and then do a second layer just so we can, you know, stay secure. So how's like y'all's New Year's going? Like, did y'all set some, I actually did set some New Year's resolution. I did end up actually spending the New Year's Day like journaling and just getting my like mind right for the new year that it'll be, but just like not really feeling prepped to like go and tackle the task, you know? So I just kept my resolutions like really realistic and minimal, but like things that could like grow into bigger things over time. I don't know how I want to describe that, but I guess that's the way. So like things that are seemingly minuscule but just will add to my overall like wellness as a person. So I am excited about that. I'm not gonna tell y'all because they're mine. Like, I do plan on like exploring this further on my second channel. Every year is the year of realizing things. Every year I'm just realizing things.
I feel like this year is really about like the year of just realizing stuff, and everyone around me, we're all just like realizing things.
I'm about to go ahead and stick this bad boy down. Once that's all pushed into the lace, we can go ahead and repeat this on the other sides. We'll go ahead and speed this process up. I know y'all know what will be happening, so let's just go ahead and like sonic zoom through this. I'll see y'all in 2 seconds. And finally, we got everything done. Now I can just go ahead and add my elastic band. Shout out Unique Units for this elastic band that has like the little Velcro on it. Life saver, game changer, like real talk. Now, while this is doing this thing underneath the thing, like I'm gonna just go ahead and make my side part. I know I really want a deep side part. Like I just really want like a deep side part with this. I don't know, I feel like it'd be really cute. So bam. I'm gonna use my Easy Edges edge stick and just use a little bit of it to just, you know, define the part. Hot comb, Kendra's Boutique. I cannot live without this hot comb. I don't know what I was doing with my life before I even had it. Like, was I even living life fully? I don't know. And I like to really like bring the curve around the back so like the part looks, you know, real and uniform. And to like even further like make this a nice side part, I'm gonna go ahead and just start, you know, hot combing in between sections so that it's like super flat. Now I can go ahead and pin my hair back and just get ready to start cutting off the lace. The TikTok ain't going that bad, but it's just like I gotta keep stopping and doing shit like 10-15 times. Time to cut off the lace. Y'all know what I like to do. I like a little zigzaggy motion. I feel like it keeps the lace from being seamless as possible. So throw back on the elastic band for just like a hot second, like the hottest of hot seconds. Boom, side part done, lace laid. As you can see, it's giving skin. I'm gonna put some concealer in this part now because I don't have time to be sitting here looking at it feeling like it don't look good, you know? Like, let's just go ahead and add some concealer up in this bitch. Now that my part is concealed, now I can move on to doing what matters the most, which is the baby hair. I think that's good enough. I just like to, you know, get a good idea of what everything is going to look like. I'm just going to do this side of my baby hair on camera with you guys and do the other side off just so we can, you know, streamline this and make it as like seamless as possible for the video. And you guys can't even like, I don't think this side will be a big deal. It'll probably be this side, just the side. So I like to just go ahead and grab it, and then I like to cut to about my eyebrow, starting a little higher from the front of the baby hair to the back, and the back should be a little longer. I don't like short cross baby hair. Y'all know how I feel about that. Y'all know how I feel about that. We're gonna do that here. Boom, then you get something like this, right? And it might be a little too long, so that's when you get to go ahead and come in with your scissors if anything's a little too long. I like to spray my baby hair with the Sebastian Shaper's hairspray before I even curl them. I don't know why that sprayed out like that. I've got my Bedhead Pixie flat iron, and I'm just gonna do a little curl under. And then to lay down my edges, I'm going to be using my ORS Grip Gel, my Edge Fixer Sweetie Edge Control. I like to put a little bit of the edge control at the base of the edges, like so. I never get to really explain these, so I'm glad I got to explain it now. I just do a little bit at the base just to, you know, for hold purposes. And then I put a little bit of the ORS on top. Now at this point, I like to comb these out separately because I like them to look like two different groups of baby hair. So I'll comb down the back end. Like so. I am going to go ahead and take my Easy Edges stick really quick and just go ahead and go behind the baby hair and just make sure that everything is really like laid behind it. And then I just like to kind of lay them down a little bit. And then I'll use my finger to like comb up a little bit. And just make sure everything is going the way I want it to go. And for the sideburn, I'm just gonna comb it and shape it the way I want it to, the same way I did the baby hair in the front. Ew, my eyes get to straining. Like, I'm almost done. Please, like, give me some more eye power. And I feel like all the hard work I did to like make sure that this is all like flat really didn't fucking matter. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of hairspray and I'll go ahead and do it again because it didn't do anything first time. And my eyes are tired of looking this way. It's like if we keep looking this way, we're gonna turn off. Here I go. Okay, baby hair on both sides is done. I did go ahead and hot comb it to the side a little bit more just so that it will get like the look I was going for. And then now I'm going to go ahead and use my Design Essentials Natural Hair Almond and Avocado Curl Enhancing Mousse. And like I was saying before, everything will be listed down in the description box. I am working on QR codes, still working on QR codes. A little bit of mousse in the hair just to bring back some life. Yeah, I do believe this is a loose, deep wave, or just a loose wave, one of the two. Okay, my TikTok look good as hell, actually. This hair is beautiful. I'm having a great time. I love the texture of it. I love how long it is. It is 20 inches, again, going to like the top of my butt. You know, not past the butt, but like the top of it. And for reference, I am 5'3". This side part is giving. The pluck is giving, it's giving hair, it's giving mine, it's giving. I'm gonna add a little bit more hairspray right here because I just really want this to look a certain way. That's how I want it to look. Okay, so here is the final look after I put on my clothes and everything. My camera got full in that last clip, so I said, and then that was it. But hello, I put on my lip gloss, put on my outfit. I already wore this outfit like a few weeks ago, and I just hate that about everything. Like, I wore this outfit one time, y'all like will see it again. Y'all will see it at least a lot more times. So I decided I don't want to wear it no more. Yeah, I love this hair. Wiggins hair is always really good. They a little particular about what they want in a video. They be like, no, don't breathe in the video. So I hope this is good. So yes, I'll stand up again for you guys and show y'all my cute ass pants. This top and bottom is from Akira. It's from Akira. I'm good for standing on my chair. Ooh, I'm spinning this shit. All right, 28 inches. I'm 5'3", and yeah, I think that's all I gotta say. Let me sit down. Thank y'all so much for watching. I really enjoyed chatting with you guys and like trying my best to get comfortable in front of the camera again. I feel like it's a whole, like, it be seeming like it's gonna be a lot for me until I sit down in front of the camera and it's like riding a bike. So I'm glad I could just hop back on with y'all and hopefully we can ride into the new year together doing some different shit. Hopefully I can expand upon my ideas that I have in the future, and I hope you guys stick around to see me through. So don't be shy. Go ahead and check the description box links if you want to know more information about this hair and the exact texture of it, because I don't know off the top of my head. I really do think this is loose deep wave, but it also could be something else. So check the description box links for more information, and also on all the products I used today. I'm gonna work on those QR codes at some point so it'll be easier for you guys. But yeah, it looks beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, beautiful.